Hello beautiful glam fam, glam girls, glam everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Gabriella. We do plus size fashion, we do hauls, we do beauty, we do a little bit of everything. So if you're into that, definitely like and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much, and I'm so happy for today's video because we are doing a Forever 21 try-on haul. So thank you to Forever 21 for sponsoring this video. I have a hair on my face, but yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't done a Forever 21 sponsored video, I don't think ever, surprisingly, or at least not in a very long time that I can remember. So thank you to Forever 21 for sponsoring this video. Really excited. Again, if you guys are gonna shop these looks, use my links in the description box. Not only does it help me, I make a small commission, but it also helps me get more brand deals like this because the brands see the performance of those links, and therefore if you're already gonna shop, why not just help me out? Again, it helps me get more jobs like this, and then I can create more content for you. So it's just like a love circle, helping each other out. Again, if you're gonna already buy the things, why not use my links? Everything's gonna be linked in the description. If it's not available, I will link something similar. Okay guys, so let's get into the haul. Okay, so the first thing we have here is this two-piece set. It's a nude, like tight to the body set, but the material is really nice and soft, really buttery. It kind of reminds me of like shapewear, almost like really comfortable shapewear that's really soft and buttery material. So this is the crop top, really cute. It's just a slip-on kind of style. Comes with this really cute little skirt. The skirt, I will say, although I feel like it really like accentuates my waist, I'm not loving how it looks on my lower part, and I just feel like on me I have a lot going on, and I don't feel like it's the most flattering. I do feel like it accentuates the waist really nicely. I probably would wear this maybe with like a trench coat over it, or some type of like something to cover a little bit more. The material is really soft, so if you are into this vibe, you're gonna love it because it's super comfortable. And I love the little crop top. This is so cute. I love two-piece sets because you can play around with them. You get 2 for 1, multiple outfits with just the one set. So in that regard, it's a good deal for sure. It's super cute. Unfortunately, it is too small on me. So it's this really cute little like olive green shorts and top set, which I'm loving these like short top sets for the summer, but too small on me. This has absolutely no stretch, only like a little bit in the waistband, and you can see even the next set is really cute. This one definitely fits better. It's a little tie-dye shirt and shorts set. Shorts are like a really stretchy cotton like material, so they're nice and snug but super comfortable. So I like that a lot because while you're walking, they're not gonna go up, they're not gonna slide down, they stay nice and snug. So throwing this on, you know, when you want to run errands really quickly in the summer, or you want to take a walk, you want to exercise, this could be a really cute little exercise outfit, a really cute little like hang out with your friends. Throw on a jean jacket on top of this, like an oversized denim jacket with sneakers. Really nice casual fun. Next piece is really fun. I cannot wait to figure out how to wear this. I have the same shorts on, but I put on this really pretty top from the Juicy Couture Forever 21 collection. This top is super 2000s inspired. It really reminds me of this one. Love the beautiful tie-dye. It almost has like this dreamy cloud angel vibe with the pink, the blue, the white, the yellow, and then obviously it says Juicy Couture Forever. So freaking cute. The quality is on point. I love the fit of this. Even without a bra, I think it looks so good. I love this top. Let me show you guys a little bit closer how pretty that detailing is with that tie-dye. They really nailed that Y2K look in a little bit of a modern vibe, and I'm obsessed. Again, I got this in a 3X. This next piece is the beautiful like sage green. It looks baby blue in the camera, but in real life it's like a light sage green pistachio kind of color. I love this. Again, it's a little bit of a cropped fit, and this has more of a ribbed texture. It's super stretchy and comfortable. Again, I got a 3X. Definitely fits true to size, I think. Super stretchy. I love the one shoulder vibe. This is so hot. Again, just a really nice top that you can wear with a skirt, like a satin skirt. Love, love, love this. I love one shoulder pieces. My favorite thing to do with pieces like this is to actually wear it flipped, and you can like make it look like a different top, because you can have one shoulder one time you wear it and then wear it the opposite way and have the other shoulder showing. So it's like fun. You can make it like 2 tops in one. But yeah, I love this. Look at the stretch on this. You could really dress it up or down. And you could always pair this with like a blazer or a jacket on top and make it look like a completely different top as well. Okay, so my next piece are these really pretty pastel pink shorts. So these are like sweat shorts. And I don't know if it's just me, but I'm really into shorts this summer, this season. And I don't know if they're like trendy or if it's just me, but I have a ton of sweat shorts already. And I've worn them. If you follow me on Instagram, follow me here. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me wearing sweat shorts. I don't know if it's like a trend or if I'm making it a trend myself, but I am loving shorts this season, and I'm loving sweat shorts. I think they're such a fun little vibe. Definitely give me like Malibu Barbie is relaxing, and I feel like you could dress them up or down. You could pair them with like blazers and jackets. I feel like you could dress them up or down. They're so fun for the summer, and I think they're really flattering on everyone as well. And I love these like baby pink ones. These are 3X, definitely true to size. They have a nice little stretch. How it looks paired with this tank top with sneakers and a jean jacket. Again, really cute little vibe to hang out with your friends, to go bike riding but still look cute. I love, love, love this. Again, really reminds me of the Y2K era. I feel like that's where the inspiration is from. Definitely the Y2K era, when we were wearing terry cloth jumpsuits in these pastel colors. They were just so fun because you felt glam, but they were still casual. And I feel like that vibe is definitely coming back because people want to enjoy life. They want to go out, but you can't always wear dresses everywhere you go. So sweat shorts are definitely my vibe for this. This next piece is a beautiful satin dress. It's a gorgeous like baby pink, frosty pink kind of color. A really, really pretty dress. It's this beautiful satin frosty pink dress. Super 2000s vibes. I feel like a plus size Playboy bunny at the house. Like, do you need a drink? God. I will say there's no stretch, and if I were to sit, it would be kind of tight. So I'm not trying to lie to y'all, but I did get it on. If you are a true 2-3X, this should fit you really well. But I love how it looks now. It looks so good. I freaking love it. The material is so nice. It's like a heavier silky material, and like look at the silhouette it gives. If I had Playboy bunny ears on, I would really look like a plus size. With this swimsuit though, wait. Hold on, hold on. Excuse me? Bitch, who is she? Cut out one piece, and it's so flattering. I love this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I saw it on the hanger, I was like, I don't know. But now that it's on, I'm like, I know she's that bad. This is a win. Forever 21, you really knocked it out of the park with this one, baby. Okay, this swimsuit is really, really fun because it's a bright teal, aquamarine, blue, green snake print, which I think is really fun and different. I also love the shape of the top because it's a little bit more like covered up, but you still get some cleavage. And I love this zipper detail too, because you can make it a lot sexier if you wanted to. So it has like this detail where you can open it up all the way down and really give cleavage. The straps are also adjustable, so you can make them even tighter and give more support, or you can make it looser and have more cleavage. The bottoms are not as high waist as I would like. I prefer my bottoms to be a little bit higher, just because I don't love the double stomach line right here. It doesn't look bad, it's just like my preference for my comfortability. But they are still pretty full coverage. I don't want to get demonetized, so I'm not trying to show it all off. But the bottoms also have the same zipper, but the bottoms don't actually open when you unzip them. It's just like the look of it, so it's cohesive with the top. So that is everything for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you to FOREVER21 for sponsoring this video. Again, please use the links below if you're gonna buy something anyway. Everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. And again, if you love your favorite content creators' work, please make sure to like, share, comment, all of that good stuff. Save on Instagram. That really, really helps us because we're all struggling with our engagement. And especially someone like me who doesn't really ask people for any money or anything like that. The least I ask for is just likes, interactions, things like that. It really helps me get work and helps me create content like this that really helps you guys in the end. So it's, again, that love circle, that love cycle of us helping each other. So I love you guys so much. Thank you again to FOREVER21. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay glam.